In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show what you're playing on Discord as a status. So what you want to do is open up Discord like I have here and log in. And then once you've logged in, you want to click on the user settings gear icon in the lower left-hand portion of the screen. Once you do that, you want to go to the left-hand sidebar and find under activity settings the option that says activity privacy. Select that option there. Then you want to enable the one that says share your detected activities with others. Go ahead and click that to the right and make sure that has a check box with a blue background behind it. Once you've done that, you will have the ability now, when you start playing a game, that game will show up. So under registered games, as you can see, there's no game detected. And if you want to add a game, or even if it's not a game, you can go to add it right here under registered games, which is under the activity settings. So you can click on add it, and then you can search for different options that you can add, like this one here, Google Chrome. Select that option there, go to add game. And now you can see that my status is showing Google Chrome. If you want to change the name of that, you can always double click into that and just change that to say Chrome, or change this to say video editing like so, and then hit enter and you are good to go. Now, when someone looks at your profile, as you can see here in the bottom left-hand corner, it says that I am playing video editing. So it shows that I'm actually video editing here in the lower left-hand corner. If you ever want to disable that, you go back to user settings, go back to the activity settings under privacy here, and just disable the option that says share your detected activities with others, and you can always do that as well. If you want to disable this for specific games, like let's say you're embarrassed about playing My Little Pony, then you can just basically have that game come up here, and as you can see where this one is here, you can choose this little toggle detection here, and whenever that game or activity is being played, it will not show that activity. If you have any questions, put those down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.